Today I have for you the electric cupping set by Cubist. And this thing has so many cool features with it. First off, it's a complete set. So you get several of these cups. They come in many different sizes, so you can target areas that you really want to get, even down to just the tiniest little cup. Super easy to use. Do read the included instruction manual. You get a full instruction manual on the cup. So in the box, you are going to get the pump. You also get this tubing, and that hooks on like that. This gray section here is what's actually going to go on the end of the cup. And I'll give you a demo here. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you pull this out so that this isn't in there all the way. So you just pull that out like that. Then you're simply going to attach it on to your cup. Let me show you here. Just going to do this on my arm. Not really the place where you would normally do this. I suppose you could, but you're going to just press and hold this little trigger here. And then you'll see it starts to suck up. And you want to feel that, but you don't want to be uncomfortable. So then you're going to go ahead, you're going to lift this off. And then you have got that going right there. And then to simply undo it, you're just going to pull up and then that releases. Super easy. Show you with the larger one. You're going to do the same process. You're going to make sure that this is up. Stick that on here. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my arm. Pull the trigger. It pulls up. I got a great suction there, as you can see. I'm going to take off the tubing. After I feel the therapy is completed for what I need for the massaging or whatnot, I'm going to go ahead, pull it up, comes right off. So this is super easy to use. You do want to follow the guidelines for, how long you want it on. Also, just be mindful of any feelings that you're experiencing while using the electric cupping set by Cubist.